So, how many times have I bought a bottle of Nature Made multivitamins and minerals? To be honest, I can't count. Just about as long as I've been in Japan, because, yes, as you can see here, it's Japanese. This product is actually from Japan, although it's available everywhere. And of course, in addition to the convenience, I also love the price of these. Very affordable, very convenient, and they do the job. And I like that they're not the capsules, but they're actually the tablet forms, because I find these are the most digestible types. You can get different sizes of this container. Obviously, when you buy more, it's cheaper. However, it's fresher if you buy the smaller containers. And if storage and price are issues for you, of course, you're going to get the smaller one. And they also have some more focused vitamins for women, for nursing women, for men, for growing kids, etc. But I just find that the main one does the job regardless of what stage I am in life. Yes, I have been taking this for quite a while. So, I can't speak to the efficacy of medical stuff, but I do like to feel the security of knowing that when my eating habits are not bad, I'm probably getting the basic vitamins and minerals, and that's why I take these. So there you go. Recommend.